Hey guys, how's it going? So today, I'm going to show you a brand new drawing method. With this technique, you'll be able to draw a human face from any angle you want. Alright then, let's jump right into the video. The new drawing method I'm going to show you today is called the neck point method. Let's see how it works. First, draw a circle. This will be the base of the head you're going to draw. Next, imagine how close or far the head should be. If it's a wider face, draw it wider. If it's shorter, draw it shorter. Adjust the proportions as needed. Alright, let's move on to the third step. This small circle is super important. It helps define the angle of the face. Now, divide it neatly into 4 equal parts. Then draw a horizontal line across like this. This line is going to represent the eye level of your character. Starting from the center point we drew earlier, curve 2 lines around the small circle like this. This step gives your face that important 3D feel. Next, let's draw the jawline. If your character's face is wide, make sure to reflect that in the jawline. Adjust the shape based on how you want the final face to look. All right, we're about 50% done with the face now. And now, here comes a really important part I want to share with you. Now, draw a line right down the middle of the face. This helps you center the features and lock in the correct angle. Take a close look at the lines I'm drawing here. What are they for? Well, this one will help you place the nose in the right spot. I'm really sorry I can't draw the full face for you right now. But don't worry, I'll bring you the rest in part 2 of this tutorial. Before we wrap up, I'll draw a quick front-facing head. With that, I'll show you how to easily place each feature in the right position. Just hang tight. It's going to be worth it. Alright, from here on, feel free to watch how I apply this method to different angles. Just observe how it works in various perspectives. But before I go, there's one small thing I want to say. I'm planning to bring you more how-to drawing tutorials in the future. So stay tuned. My channel is still small right now, but if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing, sharing, and passing this lesson along to your friends too. It really helps me out, and lets me bring you even more awesome content. Alright then, let's move on to the rest of the video. Oops, am I out of the frame? Sorry about that. Alright guys, now I'm going to show you how to draw a human face from the front view, just like I mentioned earlier. I'll explain the important parts as we go, so watch closely. I've already explained why it's important to draw these two lines first. Next, we'll add the jawline to match the proportions. Alright, now let's start drawing the facial features. Just watch what I'm doing. It'll make more sense that way. By shading along the two lines we drew above the jawline like this, we can give the face a nice 3D look. Alright friends, we've come to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to catch more art lessons like this, make sure to subscribe. Goodbye and have a nice day.